Habits are mental shortcuts learned from experience. Employed or unemployed, professional and students, basta nagsimulang mangarap, kalakap talaga nito ang pagod, puyat and procrastination habang nasa proseso ka. You need to have a clear vision board para mas maging smooth at na-enjoy ang bawat actions mo sa buhay. I started to reach my 6-figure income a month about 6 days ago. At tulad ng marami sa atin, nagsimula rin ako sa paycheck to paycheck income. As in, saktuhang budget lang. Gusto ko kasi makawala sa ganitong sistema. Without good financial habits, you will always be struggling for the next dollar. Isa yan sa nabasa ko sa book na Atomic Habits. At nagsimula ako mag-track ng income and expenses ko 1 year ago from detail to detail. At kada mag-upload ako ng picture proving my activities, natutuwa ako sa sarili ko na mas nagiging active ako sa bawat araw. Ganun din sa sarili natin. Without good health habits, you will always seem to be short on energy. And without good learning habits, you will always feels like you're behind the curve. Madalas may kukumpara mo na rin ng sarili mo sa iba kahit hindi naman dapat. Ganito kahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng ini-aim sa buhay. For us to become successful in life, dapat meron tayong abundance mindset. So mas mag-focus tayo sa sarili natin. And yun lang muna. This is day 45 of my self-improvement journey and day 8 of trying to reach 6-figure income a month. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace!